Time for another 22 Rimfire day. We're out here shooting a 100-yard target, and then we'll be moving out to 200 yards. So let's get ready to do it and see how this goes. I'm out here with my Voodoo single shot. I've got my Dima stock, and I've got my loophole scope sitting in a Seb Neo X. And today I'll be shooting Lapua Center-X. It's been doing pretty well for me, so I'm pretty excited to see what we can do. We're just waiting for the go commands, a couple people getting set up. We'll be right back. We're about ready to get started, but I wanted to do my best to show what is happening out on the range. And it's tough because most everybody's on the other side shooting off a bench, and I am down here shooting prone. But you can see that flag in the upper right corner. It's currently showing green, blowing to the left a little bit, but that's what you're going to want to keep an eye on as I am shooting. All right, we're just waiting for the start command here. We're going to do 5-siders there, then 10, then 10. Oh, now I'm down here on the ground. I did not hear it, so we are good to go. Through the scope, you can see a little bit of right to left mirage off top the board. Matches up with what the flag's doing. All right, here goes the last sider. Flag's moving a little bit, turning to a little bit of a headwind. Let's see if it changes anything on me here. Yeah, just a little bit to the right. All right, let's see what we can do with 10 shots here. Centered up, but just a little low. I'm going to safety click one up there. Looks like we were just trending a little bit low. The wind hasn't changed much, so we're just holding the same here right now. Well, there's the 10. 10 on the left. Now let's do the 10 on the right. dropped one on the ground. I'm not going to shoot it right now. Still not moving much out there. Two more to go. There we go. So that is 10 shots on each target. That one should be all X's. This one over here, definitely a few 10s. But we'll wait till everybody's done. We'll go get them counted up. Here we go. This is the first target that we shot. And this is the second target. Now this obviously is, I mean, this is great. Barely even broke the 10 line. So that's going to be a 10X right there. This one, we are going to put the plug in. And that one breaks the line. That one's going to break the line. So it looks like that one's above the white line. This one's definitely above. So this is the only one right there, and I don't even know why I'm putting a plug in it, but this one right here is the only one that's out. So it looks like we did a, looks like we got 19 X's across the board there. So pretty happy with that. But now we're gonna go out to 200, and it's definitely gonna get more challenging. We are down here in the pits. This is what our target looks like shooting at 200 yards. This is a 2-inch X ring, 4-inch 10 ring. You can see these targets are up in the air as people are starting to just get set up. We have a marker that's going to go in the appropriate spot depending on what the person shoots. And then we have a spotter that goes in the hole where they shoot so that they can see where their impact was. And we just move that around as needed. Yeah, there we go. He's got an example. So that's going to get poked in the hole that they shoot. And then we send that up. And every time they shoot, we pull it down, rinse and repeat until they're done. So we're going to go ahead and start scoring here. This is probably my target or one of these down here that I'll be scoring on. And then once we're done, we'll go up and take our turn. Well, this is our time here. We are at 200 now. I've done my best to put that wind flag kind of in that upper right corner again. It's going to be a little hard to see because it's another 70 yards out or so. But we're going to do our best. It's our turn now. You can see the wind flag right there. Now, I would normally consider backing out my zoom a little bit so that I could see that at the same time. However, because of my trigger cam, it is blocking my zoom ring. So I'm just going to have to eyeball it. But it is blowing pretty good. There's a pretty decent breeze coming across my back right now. In fact, I'm going to shut a door behind me. There's like a wind tunnel coming through behind me. All right, we've got a straight right to left flag out there. We're just going to take a shot. I think my elevation is going to be just a little bit off too. Let's see here. Not too bad for a first shot there. We're holding off on our right 2 here with that flag going. We only get 5 siders, and I can convert them if we can hit some 10s and X's here. Oh, that one dropped out of nowhere, huh? Huh. I'm going to split the difference on that one and see what happens here. I don't feel like that should have happened. Just about the same wind hold. And I haven't shot this ammo. It's shot great at 50 and 100, but that doesn't mean it's necessarily going to do well at 200, so it could just fall apart here. Okay, so there's a 10 on cider 3. We got a little bit of movement on the flag. Overall, I'd say we're still over here on a right 2. At this point, I'm really hoping that we can keep the next couple ciders in, because that will cut down how many rounds I have to actually shoot for record. Okay. So we still got some movement. I'm going to come out to 2.5 here. And then we're going to be in our 10 for record after this. Or, I'm sorry, 20 for record if we can't convert. All right, good. So we have a 10x10. We're going to move those down and convert them. And now we are on shot number 4. So we were out there. It does look like it's slowing down just a little bit, so come into a 2 right on that one. Definitely slowing down. We need to come in some more. We're going to come into a 1 right here. It's picking up just a little bit. So we were on about a 1 right there. I might go downwind. Yeah, damn it. I knew it was picking up. Just didn't give it enough. Those hurt. No, I don't like that. Damn it, it went below it. That's another 9. Boy, I just didn't see that much movement out there. I thought I needed to come back in. It looked like it had dropped off. But I'm pretty sure that's going to be right underneath the other one. Yep. Damn it. Oh, man. This 22 stuff, man, it'll drive you nuts. Go. Oh, that was a great wind call. Oh, man. Oh, well. We got a tailwind. Let's see if that sits in. Because I'm going to come in a little bit if it is. Looks like it's going to sit there. So we're actually going to come in on this one. I think it was still moving to the left. Looking at that mirage now that the target's down. Oh, I caught it. It's still moving right to left pretty good now. It's really picked up. We went out another half line on that one. Oh, yeah, it's definitely picking up. Wow. And I know what a lot of people are going to say. Oh, you should wait for your condition, this and that. But you know what? I learned more shooting through a condition like this right now. And I'm okay with it. Boy, that's moving out there. think it's slowing down a little bit, but it's still got some pretty good velocity. So we're going to come out to 3 lines here. There we go. It's still moving. Shaded that one just a little bit and came in just inside of 3 lines. I think it's backing off, so that might go right a little bit, but we'll see. No. And it's picking up again, so we're going to go full 3 lines on this one. Perfect wind call. And it's the only reason that 10 was saved is because of that wind call. I'm going to go back out to 3 lines again. It's still moving. You can see that mirage. Hopefully you guys will be able to see it, but it's moving pretty good. I'm looking at the flag, but I'm also looking at the mirage in the back. Yeah, that's still moving. I went just like a light 3. We're going to go to a solid 3 here. We're going to go 3.5 now. We're going to see that was a just for fun call at 3.5. But I definitely felt like it was moving. Worst thing, it might come out to a right side 10 or something if it let off, but I think there was enough. Oh, damn it. I shouldn't have taken the extra half. See the difference there and the difference here. That would have caught. See, we came into 2. Yeah. Now we're moving back out, so we're going to take this final shot at 3. Well, see how this finishes out. Not exactly what I was hoping for, but you know what? It was fun otherwise. I don't like how long this is taking. Oh, I'll take it. All right. Hey, can you let them know 10 is all done? I don't have a mic. So, let's see here. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Not great. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wow, that was just straight up horrible on the back end. I mean, definitely made some mistakes, but there we go, 395.25. We'll see how that holds up. Well, that's it. That's another 22 Rimfire match in the books. Looks like I got outshot by somebody shooting a sporter gun. He just killed it, shot a 396.22. I had a 395.25, and Rylan had a 395.22, I believe, as well, or 24, something like that. But definitely challenging on the 200. That flag, of course, now that we're done shooting, it's nice and stable. That's how it always seems to work. So we're going to clean up our brass. We're going to head home and go enjoy Mother's Day. You guys have a good one. Get out and shoot. We'll talk soon.